There, blast them.
Yes, Jedi strength flows from the Force.
By the same people who brought you Hot Tub Time Machine Photoshop Edition featuring Jeff Seid and Chessbra. Now it brings to you an exclusive Jeff Seid Photoshop by the Wall with the Black Line. Coming to theaters near you. It sounded better when I rehearsed it in my head, and then it comes out corny as fuck. Alright people, welcome back to the channel. You already know who it is. The baddest man on the planet, the human juggernaut, Damien motherfucking McLeod. Ooh, that shit just rolls off your tongue like your mama's titty milk do, boy. Alright, now, got a little extra right there, you know, a little extra. We're gonna dive right into Jeff Seid in this picture right here. So, you know, being a Photoshop master, a VFX master, pro, the best, you know, you guys seen the intro. I mean, come on, like, that shit was fucking awesome, right? So being, you know, the best in the world, I know what Photoshop is, and this is clearly Photoshop at its best. But I'm trying to figure out why. You know, I'm trying to figure out why would he do anything to this picture. It's clearly, look, if you click on this second picture here, he's in the same place, so he's actually on location. It looks like he's inside of like the bathroom at one of those like city parks where you can just kind of walk in and take a piss. There's like, it looks like, you know, years worth of piss and poop stains all over the floor. I mean, that's, I don't know why he would pick that place out of all places to flex. Maybe because that light at the top there, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know, but yeah, it has to be that light beaming down on him, I guess. But it's pretty strange. So anyway, yeah, clearly he's doing some, you know, size enhancements on this thing. He just kind of like did an overall just body enhancement. Everything looks bigger than it normally would. It doesn't look normal at all. Not at all. Yeah. Clearly, as you can see, the infamous black line in the background here, right above here. So it looks like what he did was just mask everything out, which is what all the Photoshop guys do. They mask it out, throw enhancements on there. Looks like he left his head the same size, like his head's still kind of tiny, because you don't see a black line around his hair area. But, you know, he kind of like did the body, chopped out this arm, chopped up that arm, and I guess that upper part, and enhanced. Yeah, that's the only thing, you know, I'm still trying to figure out why not just put a regular, I don't know, why do any of these guys Photoshop? Why do Chessbro Photoshop? Why does Devin Physique, the originator of the Photoshop, the Adobe Gaines, why do any of these guys Photoshop? I don't understand it, but clearly I guess he felt like doing something. I don't know. We're gonna read some comments here because I've read through a few were kind of funny. He goes, his first pick with hairy armpits. Let me scroll down here. And how did he make that black line? So someone else notices that black line there. So how did he make that black line? Haha, I think it went through some type of editing, my friend. Oh, we have an argument going on here. So the reply to that is, yeah, no, it's not an argument. Well, yeah, it's edited, but he didn't enhance anything to make his muscles look bigger. Well, clearly this person wears glasses and not the good kind. Because as you can see, the head is still tiny. It looks like one of those things on Mario, the Koopas, whatever the fucking things are with the little head and the big bodies. Yeah, because clearly he didn't have a line around his head, means he did no enhancements on his head. And another comment that same person wrote, he goes, I thought that's what you guys were assuming he photoshopped. Well, clearly he did something. Shit. I mean, unless there's a camera that just pops out black lines out of the blue. Black out of the blue. Alright, and then the other guy replies back, well then it's been through a photo editing process, and because of that you cannot know what would he have done. Okay, these kids missed a few classes. Most likely something has changed up because of the fact that he didn't put it directly on Instagram. Now if it is lighting or editing the body, we won't know. Okay. Yeah, so you know, it's one of those. I'm gonna keep reading. Fuck it, why not? Yeah, you're not wrong there. And then I edited the lighting on my photos, so I guess you could say my photos are photoshopped. It's not the same thing, you know. Changing the lighting and making enhancements to the body are two totally different things. It's a Photoshop process, but it's not what we're talking about. We're talking about Adobe gains. Giving yourselves them gains. And honestly, I'm not a huge fan of Jeff, but you're on his Instagram. Okay. Anyway, obviously you're followed, douchebag, because he states natural, and I think that physique and a lot other factors make me think he is on something. However, he gives good motivation. Maybe he already done, I doubt, but he could prove. This is killing me. I fucking cannot read other people's thoughts. It's like, I don't think his thought is coming out this spell checked wrong. Like, damn it. I'm trying so hard to not sound like I can't fucking read. Trying to read someone who clearly can't make a sentence. Fucking A, man. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I had to stop for a second. That shit was fucking with me. It was like my equilibrium was off. I'm trying to, because I can fucking read. And I'm trying to read this dude's comment, and it's just like, what the fuck? Alright, where did I leave off? Maybe he already done, I doubt, but he could prove himself natty. And not that way the idiot Panda did. Because we all know he is natty as Dingleberry lifting real weights. Okay, parents out there, you need to limit your kids' time on Xbox to like fucking 30 minutes a day. And please, and after that, take the power cord out so they can get to the fucking books and learn how to read and write. Oh my god, this new iPhone generation is fucking slow. Oh my god. I mean, damn, even with, I don't know, I can't even, I was gonna say even with autocorrect, but autocorrect does make you look crazy sometimes too, but this is not autocorrect. This is just, you don't know what the fuck he's saying. Alright, let's keep going. Oh yeah, for sure, it's hard to tell. He does have a great physique though. Okay, somebody's, alright, yeah, for sure, heart, okay, Photoshop. He just said photo. The motherfucker said Photoshop and dipped out. Eric. Oh shit. I'm gonna read this last little part right here. Nice Photoshop, Olympia washout. Kenny KO caught your ass again. Did bulking. Shout out to Kenny KO. A lot of people are mad at me because I'm making videos like this and Kenny KO is making videos like this. Like, hey, more than one person can make videos like this. Kenny KO makes them, Nick Strength and Power makes them, a few other guys make them. Like, there's nothing wrong with me jumping into it. It's like the person we're giving our commentary, and I personally think I am the rawest motherfucker on YouTube. So anyway, yeah, that was pretty. I don't know. I feel bad for this generation because they clearly don't know what the fuck a proper sentence is and this, that, and the third. But yeah, Photoshop. Alright, I'm just gonna end it right there. I have to go and wash my brain now and remove that from my mind. Let's scroll down. What this square ass pick? What the fuck? Hold on, time. Oh my god. I hope it don't have music on it. This is some bullshit. What is he? No techno bullshit on here. Let me turn it down all the way. It's probably still gonna. Took me 11 years of training to go with you. All that, you know, I ain't gonna go in on this dude. We'll do a natty or not on Jeff Seid another time. But yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. I'm subliminally in your mind now. Subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't already seen it, I have a video titled Chipotle gift card giveaway. I will be giving away a Chipotle gift card when I reach 2K subs. So you guys make sure you sub to the channel. Alright? Do it. Fucking do it. And don't forget to share the video, man. Help me get some buzz, man. I know this channel can definitely reach like 50, 60K by the summertime. Like, this is not hard to do. I just have to break into this algorithm. So help me break into the algorithm by sharing the video. Tell all your friends about me. I'm fucking Batman. So with all that said, get to the gym, do work, and muscle up.
Sign Gerald, I'm sincere. This year I'm in here, I'll spell it out to make things clear. And meanwhile your end's near, I've got a lane and I'm in gear. You people wonder who's next up, that conversation really ends here.